station is
Camberley.
That was pretty much reversed for some reason. My guys are at Camberley somewhere.
Oh, wait, no, hold on, I'm taking this in.
All the way Camberley is. There we go. Now, the time now is 18:25 on Thursday the 10th of July 2025. And this is for the 18:25 South Western Railway service from Aldershot to Ascot. There are so many 25s linked together, have you? Oh, fucking hell. Nah, that's the tree alert going, that's fine. What the hell is on there?
Oh, it's just coming in now.
Well, that one is fucking miles away. Yeah, now we've walked this up. Whoever's over at Ascot completely shot themselves. Why is the delayed class 1 behind the class 2 that sits at your station for 10 minutes?
Because it was behind a Reading until Ascot.
Could they not have held back November 5 for a few minutes just to give it fucking leeway? Or is Ascot tiny?
Nah. Ascot's only got 3 platforms.
That's fucked dead.
Oh no, all 3 can go, but only 2 can go to Camberley. But all 3 can go from Camberley to Sunningdale. 450-062.
Right.
To Ascot. Come on then, Newark Newgate barriers. Oh, there's a bus coming. Three 6701 on the 3 to Aldershot.
On that, another one of mine just fucking broken down.
Right, there we go. The time is 18:30 on the dot. This is for
1843, South 1833 arrival to leave in 13 minutes. South Western Railway service from Ascot to Aldershot. Oh, beggars belief. This is ridiculous. stop 27794 at Bucky Bristol Drive.
You could go.
3 hours.
You could go around and see me. I mean, it's only right. What, 2 minutes round the bend from you?
Won't because he's over at Bristol Drive. You broke down at the timing point.
He shouldn't have stopped there to wait for time then.
This is useless. We've blown 2 up today. I say blown, with me 2 shitting themselves. 36707 at Alton Moors Home Tavern and 27794 at Pissing Bristol Drive.
Mind you never know. One might blow up night like was it 19? Which one blew up at Branston?
No idea.
A week before I came down, wasn't it? 19692.
Probably. It was on 31 fast. I don't know.
There's quite a lot of crossroads in Camberley. Oh, we got 2 buses here now. 36917 on the 11 to Farnborough via Heatherside, Deep Cut, Mindhurst, Frimley Green, and somewhere else. Number 3 is going to Derby Green, The Meadows, Camberley, Frimley Green, Mychet, Ashvale, and Ash. Here it is, to sit in for 10 minutes with an Addison Transport TikTok. 45103. To Aldershot with a 10-minute call. And there we go. 36701. Three 6917. Actually, no, we can't because we're just about to leave.
That's fine.
Is it still in there?
Not yet.
Well, I'll let the barriers go down first, and then I'll start shouting the track. Right, we can't do anything yet as the previous train is just left the platform. But anyway, we're waiting for the train that is there, which is the...
It's 1843, the delayed 1821 South Western Railway service from London Waterloo to Aldershot.
To Aldershot via Camberley.
Oh, shut up, love. The next train to leave platform 2 is the delayed 1822 South Western Railway service to Aldershot, calling at Frimley, Ashvale and Aldershot. This train has 8 carriages.
Right, it's taking it 2 minutes to get from over there. To be fair, it'll take me 2 minutes to get over there.
4 carriages of the train.
You never heard what I just said, did you?
The delayed 1822 South Western Railway service
450-003, which is another white ribbon unit. Right, Red Sea Park. Does he stop on the crossing? Yes, he does. I said that it's taking it 2 minutes to get from over there.
I know.
And I said that it would take me 2 minutes to get on over there. This is Camberley. This train is for Aldershot. The next station stop is... Yeah, it's front 6 here. So you could bring a javelin down here. Right, there we go. Door lights out. Everyone's buggering off. The delayed 1822 South Western Railway service from London Waterloo to Aldershot. 450 003 and 108. That was four minutes. Right, can we go now? Yes, we can.
Not for long.
Thank you guys, and we will see you in the next video. Here's a number 3 on the 11. Is a normal decker on the 1 to Aldershot. 19346. Naked blue buses turn on the crossing. Okay, the time is 07:15. And this is the 07:17 South Western Railway service from Farnham to London Waterloo. He's not even pulled up to the signal. So I don't know how 6 coaches isn't a bit. Really far along as hell, that's why. There it goes. Leading the train, we've got 450-034. White Ribbon to London Waterloo via Richmond, and also calls at Long Cross.